Let's talk about the latest launched ZTE smartphone Nubia redmagic 9 Pro Plus. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, 6.8 inches Full HD Plus display, resolution of 1116 by 2480 pixels. 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 89.1% screen to body ratio, approximately 400 ppi pixel density. 1600 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and scratch-resistant glass protection, BOEQ9. Plus 5th generation under-display screen. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Samsung S5 KGN5OIS main camera, along with 50 megapixel Samsung S5 KJN1 ultra-wide camera, and 2 megapixel GC02M1 macro camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel HAOV16E1Q under-display front camera, video recording. Maximum 8K at 30 fps on rear camera, 1080p at 30, 60 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of redmagic OS 9 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.3 GHz single-core Cortex-X4, plus 3 GHz dual-core Cortex-A720, plus 3.2 GHz tri-core Cortex-A720, plus 2.3 GHz dual-core Cortex-A520, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 750 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage, 16 GB. Plus 256 GB of storage variant, 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant, and 24 GB plus 1024 GB storage variant. No micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 76.4 by 8.9 mm, and it weighs around 229 grams, and the color options dark night, black transparent, silver wing colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5500 mAh battery, with 165 watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, tri-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS L1 plus L5, 3.5 headphone jack, gaming 3 mic, dual stereo speakers, and a USB Type-C 3.2 charging port, NFC, IR blaster, ICE13 Magic cooling system, Red Core R2 gaming chip. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ZTE Nubia redmagic 9 Pro Plus starts at 5,499 Chinese yuan, and around $775 US, and 216,999 Pakistani rupees for the baseline 16 GB plus 256 GB trim, and goes up to 6,999 Chinese yuan and $987 US, and 276,999 Pakistani rupees for the 16 GB plus 1 TB version. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this ZTE Nubia redmagic 9 Pro Plus smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.